body. As you know that God has created us. God ने हमें बनाया है. God has created us. Look at the board, and He has also given us a beautiful body. उसने हमें बनाया है और उसने हमें इतनी सुंदर शरीर बॉडी दिया है इन्होंने. We need to take care of our body because we need to keep it clean and safe. बॉडी हमारा जो है उसे स्वस्थ रखना है. इसके लिए हमें हमेशा अपने बॉडी को कीप इट क्लीन, साफ रखना है. टू कीप इट सेफ फ्रॉम ऑल काइंड ऑफ डर्ट एंड जर्म्स. डर्ट मीन्स धूल कण, गंदगी, और जर्म्स लाइक बैक्टीरिया, वायरसेस, जिससे हमें बहुत सारी तरह की डिजीज होने की चांसेस होते हैं. इसलिए हमें डर्ट और जर्म से बचाने के लिए अपनी बॉडी को ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कीप इट क्लीन. Body has different parts of, and there is a particular name for every part of our body. है ना? हमारे शरीर में बहुत सारे different parts of our body. हमारा body जो है बहुत सारे parts से मिलकर बना है ना? Like if we start from our body, so this is the top of our body is head. The top of our body is head. We start from our head. The first part of our body is head. It is on the top of our body. Bottom में क्या है? हमारे bottom में सबसे नीचे feet है. And on the top of our body, head is on the top of our body. हमारे whole body में सबसे ऊपर जो body part है वो क्या है? Head है. वो क्या है? Head है. So the head, it is on the top of our body. The second is eyes. Touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. God has given us 2 eyes. God, भगवान ने हमें 2 आंखें दी है. God has given us 2 eyes. 1 nose. 1 mouth. 2 ears. 2 hands. 2 legs. This is neck. This is our chest. This is our chest. This is stomach. The first is head. It is on the top of our body. The second is eye. We have 2 eyes to look. भगवान ने हमें 2 आंखें दी है to look this beautiful world and different type of things we can see with our eyes. We can see with our eyes. There are different types of things in our beautiful world. हम जो अपनी ये सुंदर से संसार को देख पाते हैं कैसे? It can only possible by we can see with our eyes. The second is eye. The third is nose. God has given us 1 nose. God has given us 1 nose. We can smell, or we smell with our nose. The fourth part is ears. E-A-R-S, ears. We hear. Hear means सुनना. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. We hear different types of sound emitted from different objects. The sound of this table is different. The sound of the bell of your school is different from this sound. So we can hear different types of sound with the help of our ears. God has given us 2 ears to hear different type of sounds. The fifth part of our body is neck. This is our neck. We can turn around left, right. To see left wise, to see clockwise, anti-clockwise, to see rightward, to see leftward. We can turn this side to this side. You can move your neck around us. N-E-C-K, neck. Neck means गर्दन. ये neck है ना, ये. उसके नीचे ये क्या है? Chest. उसके नीचे stomach. The food we eat, where it goes inside our stomach. It goes inside our stomach. Stomach के अंदर हम जो food खाते हैं वो कहाँ store होता है? In our stomach. We have two hands also. Show your hands. Show your hands. We have two hands. Raise your hands. There are two hands. We can do different types of work with the help of our hand. We do different types of work with the help of our hand. Almost all type of works we do with the help of our hand. We write. You can write anything in your copy with the help of hand. You can hold your pencil or pen with the help of your fingers. किस चीज से पकड़ते हो पेंसिल को और पेन को? I am holding this with the help of my finger. मैंने इसे कैसे पकड़ा हुआ है इस चौक को? With the help of our finger. Like this. You also hold your pencil in your finger to write anything in your copy. Understand or not? आई बात समझ में? Understand? Yes. फिंगर के हेल्प से क्या करते हो? पेंसिल पकड़ते हैं ना? We do different type of work with the help of your hand or with the help of your fingers. Okay. Spell the word fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Fingers means only. You can write with the help of your finger. You can write with the help of your finger. There are two legs also. We have two legs. We can walk with our legs. We can walk from one place to another with the help of our legs. We have two legs. We can move from one place to another place with the help of our legs. Understand? Repeat once again. The first part of our body is head. This is on the top of our body. The first part of the body is our head. The second is two eyes. Touch your eyes. The third is nose. The fourth is ears. The neck, chest, stomach, two hands, 10 fingers. How many fingers are there in your two hands?
10 fingers.
There are 10 fingers. How many fingers? 10. 5 fingers in right hand and 5 fingers in left hand. So how many fingers are there in your both hand? There are, both means दोनों हाथों में कुल कितने उंगलियां हैं? Good. There are 10 fingers in our two hands. Okay. Then two legs. We have two legs to move from one place to another place. Understand? Understand or not? आई बात समझ में?
Yes.
That's all for today's class. Okay?